Introducing the Tohnichi 5500 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. Engineered by Tohnichi, a leading name in the industry, this torque wrench tester combines precision and durability to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. With a torque range from 50 to 500 Nm, it caters to a variety of applications. Its manual loading mechanism allows for precise and controlled application of torque, while its high accuracy of 1% meets the demands of even the most stringent quality control standards. The user-friendly interface simplifies operation, making it easy to conduct torque wrench tests. Built to withstand rigorous use, this torque wrench tester features a robust construction that ensures long-lasting performance. Elevate your torque wrench calibration and testing capabilities with the Tohnichi 5500 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. Invest in this top-of-the-line torque wrench tester and experience the confidence that comes with accurate and reliable measurements.